You know my brother's car, the 4Runner. They stole that catalytic converter. Less than 20 minutes, man. It was gone.
Oh, no kidding. Well, there was a big. I remember there was a big deal that on people stealing them fucking things.
But if we're doing it professionally, it takes a while. But the thieves, thieves, do it fast, man. They're like, hey, we should hire you.
He's got a fucking grinder that's gonna
Yep.
cut that thing right off. And then the welder to weld that one back. Alright. I get to take this all the way off. This is just jerry rigged here. I don't know how many times I've replaced batteries.
So that's the original screws there.
Yeah. There's no way to get this battery out without taking this out.
Yeah. What year is this Corvette?
92.
92.
No.
Okay. Yeah.
I gotta see.
Okay. What the hell did I do?
Well, you just can't jump.
No, I got a new battery for it.
Oh.
Yeah, the last time because I cook it with that fucking, they're high powered. Yeah, they do not like going and cut smart.
You gotta scratch your door.
Hang on, Joe.
Oh, okay.
I got it. Because you're gonna change the battery now, right?
Yeah. When you own this car again, you might want to replace these fucking things. You know, there's got to be a reason why this thing, besides me not driving it, why?
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna own it.
Well, your sister is gonna have it, and you'll be driving that motherfucker. Sometimes I wonder if this is going in all the way or why is it?
This battery is only not even a year old, man.
Yeah, I know it.
August
But
2018.
every time I go to move it, do anything, I didn't put that much hot sauce in it, and we were bitching last time, so I made chili and spaghetti. And they both.
You wouldn't take that Mexican guy.
Oh fuck, you know, and then. I did enough of these motherfuckers I know. That's been that from day one.
It's alive! Down boy, down boy.
When you turn the car on, it makes that noise. When you turn it off, it makes that noise. And it's done that for
Maybe that's the reason it's draining your battery, man.
Yeah.
It could be, you know.
Because it's
Well, maybe that part went away when it did it too much. That engine is fucking right on, you know? It's slow.
Maybe low battery does that. Oh.
Good point. That's when there's something that's draining the battery.